Take it 1, 2, 3 to the 4. What? I'm about to cross you over like Iverson. Better yet, Kobe to Ryzen. Andre, like my shit is burning down. But that ain't me, cause I ain't no fucking clown. I may have a smiley face, but when you get up in mine, I'm taking your shit. What? Let me bring. What? Let me switch it up with. Switch it up. Bring it. Here we come.
Hey, we bring it how we gotta bring it. Bring shit when we gotta bring it. It's all love in the charts though. But when you niggas at home or you get marked for show, y'all get blown off the bat. We show niggas exactly where it's at. I'm on this beat and all I hear is piano. All I hear is niggas be coming through like commandos. Too much bullshit in this world for me to be trying to deal with just one more. Niggas don't know exactly in America how far we'll go. There's too much pressure and too much jealousy. There's too many niggas out here trying to hate on me. There's too many police trying to cover it up. The only thing good for is just to get you caught up. It's bullshit, another charge. Now you gotta pay some more fucking funds to the law. It's really fucking hard to even survive on a family. Niggas getting 40 grand a year for a family. What type of mouth you feed? I don't know, man. All I know is it's real pain, it's real game. But I'm gamed up too and I'm trying to be on top. I'm gonna show you exactly when the shit gon' drop. When a ball drop, that's when you niggas flop. That's when you cease to exist. That's when the real mock. Bottom to the top again. And I'm gonna show you exactly why you need oxygen. Because it's hard to breathe without a second hand. Without this motherfucker here acting like the man. You think that you the man, but I'm my own man. And I got my own plan, survival of the fittest, man. We in the land of the strong. I'm getting it in, nigga, the strength carries on. Fuck the dust, show you niggas how it blow. Here to Africa on Morocco, nigga, it's on.